starting off with our 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a cup of coconut milk, and we love this because you can't really taste the coconut, but it adds a really nice, rich, light flavor. And then an egg just to tie this all together. Alright, so now we're gonna whisk this all up before we add our strawberries. This is a great breakfast. It's kind of like pancakes. And you cook them for about 4 minutes on each side until they're nice, brown, and crispy, and then you flip them. And then we just have a cinnamon and honey glaze. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Bite, cheers. Oh my god. Okay, this is probably speechless. They're so good. Let's get started on the dill, feta, and onion fritters. In our bowl, we're first gonna add 1 cup of flour. Now, one tip that we like to say, just because I was gluten-free for a while, is that you can use oat flour here. You just blend rolled oats into the blender and it's a great gluten-free alternative. Now we've got 2 eggs that we're putting right in here. Pre-whisked, we've got a 1/4 cup of milk. Our go-to is almond milk, but anything will work just fine. And of course some salt and pepper. This is mixing up super quickly. We're gonna add a cup of chopped feta. And we like feta because it has that perfect, like, distinct tart little flavor, and you get the chunks of it in the fritters, which I mean is just. And when they're warm, it's gooey. Oh my gosh! And then a cup of chopped spring onions. These are just like your normal green onions. 1/2 cup of chopped dill. It may seem like a lot, but trust me, you want a lot of it. And now we're gonna add a clove of garlic, kind of just to tie this whole recipe together. You take scoops of these into the pan while the oil is a little bit heated already. And then you flip them after about 3 minutes, golden brown, take them out. Beautiful. Let us tell you about our dipping sauce. We've got about 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. Then we added about a 1/4 cup of feta, keeping along with that feta theme. Some garlic, salt and pepper pinch, of course. The juice of 1/2 a lemon. So simple. Simple and delicious. Dip it in. Wow, oh my god. I could eat this entire batch. I hope that you guys try these recipes as well. And thanks again, Rachel.